In this video, I'll show you how to quickly download and install VMware Workstation Pro on Windows for free. Check my video description for download link. Once download done, double click on the application and select yes option. Select next, accept, next, 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 install. Once installation done, select finish. And now you can launch the VMware Workstation Pro. That's how you can install VMware Workstation Pro. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.